phone's been really cool about not actually making a sound when the alarm's supposed to be going off, or pretending an alarm even went off. So I barely got this package from 01TRANSFAN. I blacked out everything. So, yeah, he sent me a Christmas gift, or a late one out of that, and is this really going to be that easy? Huh. It really is. I don't even need to cut anything. Use like the tape that China uses, or no, other countries use. Whenever I buy stuff imported, they always use this like brown tape. So that was pretty damn easy. Aww. Dear Larry, thanks for letting me give you things. I like making you happy. You're one of my best friends. I love you. Thanks for being such an amazing man. Please enjoy and stay incredible. Your friend Dakota. P.S. You're handsome. Winky face. That's cool and all, but where's the I sat here and I was like, where's the fucking howdy? And then I looked on the flaps. It's like goddamn everywhere. Ah, delicious ice cubes. Okie dokie. I like how you didn't even wrap this one. You just barely did. Alright, since it's January 2nd while I'm recording this, but fuck it, it's Christmas. Let me no, you won't even see it. I was about to say, let me just turn on Christmas lights. So first up, holy shit, it's Rung. Siege Rung. It's God himself. I never saw these because Walmart's around here decided, okay, if we don't need these things anymore, we don't need these, we don't need that thing. And these things were going high prices online. So my favorite thing is it's on clearance. It's really funny. So now, that's really cool. I got Run now. That's awesome. He's so cool looking. Sorry, I'm just tired. I'll save the one that's barely wrapped. He just like literally just laid wrapping paper down. Hold on. He just did. You'll see what it is later. I knew everything in this. I didn't know if there was gonna be any extra cool stuff, but also I just want to give the man some credit. Where credit is due. And holy shit. It is... I knew about this. It's Spinister! The Spinister Minister. Yeah. I heard he's really good. I heard he's like a Voyager in the size of a... Why am I getting text messages now? Anyway. Yeah. Spinister Rung. And the last thing. Man, this is going to be complicated to unwrap. Nova Storm. So, he bought that 3-pack. And originally me and him had a pact where we were going to like, I was going to go buy it, and then I was going to keep Nova Storm and Acid Storm. And I was going to give him Ion Storm, the blue one that I think is boring as shit. But instead, for some reason, I went out and bought Acid Storm for a really good price. Just by himself, and then he bought the pack, and then he gave me this one. So I'm going to totally make this Sunstorm. This thing deserves more paint than just this. But otherwise, it looks pretty cool. Get there's like a piece of that plastic string that they come with. Come on. There we go. So yeah, I'm calling him Sunstorm because I'm going to paint him up a little bit. So we got Nova Storm, Spinister, and Rung. I will repay Dakota somehow for all these things. But yeah, go subscribe to the man. He's a good man, and he's a man. Yeah. By the time I upload this, I don't know if I'll already have my 19 list up. Probably will. Anyway, have a good one.